Presyong estudyante na Japanese snack sa Baliwag. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa Baliwag, Bulacan beside Baliwag Transit Terminal para mag food trip na onigiri sa Moshi Maji. Meron silang air-conditioned indoor area na may tatami seating, kaya pwede kayo magpaka-Japanese habang kumakain dito. At ito na nga, ganito pala nila pinaprepare yung onigiri nila. And paano kainin?
For this, kailangan mag-break mo yung seam and then you fold the side. Tapos, kabilang side naman. And then you fold it.
For onigiri, they have variants like Spam Supreme, Kanimingo, Chicken Teriyaki, and Tuna Mayo na favorite ko. O di ba ang sulit sa presyo na 65 pesos, pwede pambahon at cute pa. And also try their musubi, such as the classic, torch salmon, at ang pinakabet namin na ranch style corned beef for as low as 120 pesos. They have furikake fries na good for sharing, na may garlic mayo and sriracha mayo dip. If rice meals ang hanap nyo, meron silang buy one take one for only 280 pesos. May donburi meal ka na, either tonkatsu don, torikatsu don, or ebi fried doon na masarap. Alin man sa tatlo na yan, may kasama pang red iced tea. Solid, di ba? For drinks, they have matcha latte for matcha series, dark choco milk tea, and Okinawa milk tea for milk teas, strawberry fruit soda for fruit sodas. Kung pupunta kayo, open sila from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. May wifi sila, board games, may limited parking sa baba, and may food panda for delivery. O tara na sa Moshi Maji sa Baliwag, Bulacan. Let's go!